Welcome to Inspiring Inputs. I hope these quotes about positivity will help you get through anything. Stay inspired, stay blessed, stay with Inspiring Inputs. We design our lives through the power of choices. It is our choices that show what we truly are, far more than our abilities. A man is but what he knows. Get busy living or get busy dying. Believe and act as if it were impossible to fail. What you do speaks so loudly that I cannot hear what you say. Taking a new step, uttering a new word is what people fear most. Fear is forward. No one is afraid of yesterday. Those who cannot remember the past are condemned to repeat it. Those who make you believe absurdities can make you commit atrocities. Aspire to inspire before we expire. Motivation is a fire from within. If someone else tries to light that fire under you, chances are it will burn very briefly. Deal with your feelings. Tired of hiding my feelings in the darkness, so I must come clean. You can discover more about a person in an hour of play than in a year of conversation. You don't have to be the biggest, the richest, the most famous, the coolest, the fastest, the most intelligent to stand out. You have just got to be different. Self-reverence, self-knowledge, self-control. These three alone lead to power. At any given moment, you have the power to say, "This is not how the story is going to end." If there is a book that you want to read, but it has not been written yet, then you must write it. I think of life as a good book. The further you get into it, the more it begins to make sense. If you are serious about changing your life, you will find a way. If you are not, you will find an excuse. Most arguments are not really disagreements, but are rather little ego battles and misunderstandings. Every great dream begins with a dreamer. Always remember, you have within you the strength, the patience, and the passion to reach for the stars to change the world. Hope you like the content. Please share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Your comments and suggestions are welcome. Have a great day ahead. Good luck to you.